And how Mahler, but not only Mahler, but artists in this time were able to talk about this chaos and about this time in their art. So this was the most, I think, inspiring. But then I worked with Steven Prengels, who is a composer, who is a musical director, and he's a Mahler fan. So he seduced me little by little to listen to a little bit more than just these parts. He also saw that I was attracted to the slow parts, the long and slow parts from the symphonies. I didn't like the Liedern, the singing parts I didn't like so much. And in the symphonies I was always going to the long and slow parts, and he introduced me to other parts of the music. But it's my Hitchcock moment. I like to have a Bach piece in every performance. And this one, Den Tod niemand zwingen kann, I already used in another performance. It's a duet. And I don't know why I wanted it in the performance, but when we started to work on it, because I wanted the dancers to learn it, then little by little I understood that in the context that we were working on, it could be also a very important moment where a very important thing is said, which is that we cannot tame death. And since there is a lot of elements in the performance that refer to death, especially in the first part, this is a crucial moment. Well, somebody told me after seeing a rehearsal in Ghent, and she was a music critic and knew Mahler very well, that she described Mahler as one of these composers who was a very good sampler, who took elements from everywhere. Yeah. And in that sense, I felt very familiar. But he was limited to using references of the place where he lived, so Austria and Europe. And it feels to me that by inviting Boule and Roussel and bringing in these sounds, we just go a little step further of what Mahler would have done probably, and bring in music from a broader context into his music. And it fits really well, it's really beautiful, this combination.